Hi, I'm Rabbi Yom Tov Glaser, and this is Kol Geula. This week I want to bring on someone special, someone who's been my role model my whole life, my dear father, Rabbi Yom Tov Glaser. For the last 35 years, he's been inspiring Jews from all over the world to come out of their personal gullus into their personal Geula. So please find a quiet place to sit down and enjoy this powerful video.
Pretending. We're all in a state of pretending at all times. Psychologically, it's probably because we couldn't live with ourselves if we just, were being totally real with our situation. So we pretend, everything we're doing is normal, our society and our community, even though, 10 miles over, people are doing completely different things and pretending that's normal. And in our marriage, that, everything's fine. And in our parenting and in our professional relationships at work, we are in a state of pretending all the time. That pretending goes very, very deep. But it also is just on a surface level. And it must be that we psychologically need it because there's no way to just go totally real. Because if you went totally real, it'd be pretty hard to deal with it. And you'd have a long list of what you'd have to do to fix it. So here we are in Tishabav, and this is the day where we don't pretend. There's no more pretending. So much so you can't even say hello to someone on the street. You have to literally go through that awkwardness of not saying hello, not shaking hands with somebody. No hugs, no saying hello, no saying goodbye. Nothing's normal now. We are very, very far from the Dveikus that Klal Yisrael is supposed to be at. Every time you say V'secha zeinenene b'shuacha l'tzion b'rachamim bo'uch ata Hashem ha'machzer shchinasa l'tzion, I don't think we even know what we're saying. But let me remind you what we're saying is that there was a time where Klal Yisrael lived in Eretz Yisrael, each shevet in its place, with the pilgrimage festivals in Yerushalayim, and with miracles happening there, the Leviim playing their Dveikus music, and the Kohanim doing their tasks in the Beis HaMikdash. People were flipping out Dveikus, like shaking Dveikus. In that Dveikus that we had, you had a perfect, what's called a vibrational resonance with the Kadosh Baruch Hu. There was a oneness that we had with Hashem, that we were really His nation. And He was our God. And we were a light, like a giant orb of light for the whole world. And the whole world was getting its sustenance through us, like the world was right. Now, you can't live every day feeling the distance, feeling the lack of Dveikus, having to pretend everything's normal. You can't do that every day, but today we do it. And so I'm going to ask you right now, just close your eyes, I'll close mine. And taking a deep breath. And those of you who still have your eyes open, close your eyes. Taking a deep breath and just get in touch right now with the distance, with the separation, with the place we're really at, with being so far away, being so lost. Lost as a nation, lost with our job as Klal Yisrael. Whole world's around us, like trying to wake us up with all the anti-Semitism, like, do your job, Jews. Be our Dveikus. Lost because we're lost with Hashem, we're lost in ourselves, we're lost with ourselves, we're lost with our families, with our communities, we're all just lost. For a few moments now, as you breathe with your eyes closed, just stop pretending that everything's fine. It's not. It's not fine. When you ask for Beis HaMikdash, you ask to be saved, which we're going to do over and over and over again on the other 3 weeks, which are Rosh Hashanah through the end of Sukkot. On Hashem Oshian, when you ask that, Hashem will say, okay, I saw you on Tishabav, with your eyes closed, breathing, getting in touch with the real loss. Cute, you want to ask for it when you're behind the crosshairs of the rifle of Yomim Noroim. But how about now? Show Hashem you can feel the distance. Show Hashem you feel the pain. Just be in that. Stop pretending. Just be there. Make it real right now. you come to the next 3 weeks, Rosh Hashanah through Sukkot, and you say, Haracham Yakim Lanus, Sukkot David Anafalas. When you get there, Hashem will say, yeah, I remember you on Tishabav. I remember you during those 3 weeks. Taking another deep breath before you open your eyes. Hold your breath. And release. Opening your eyes up on 5, coming up 1, 2, 3, 4. Opening your eyes up 5. Real. Today we're real.